The 2,124 square meter sloping lot with a native woodland at the rear defined the project by imposing a building setback, preserving a lawned garden and a pool at the back, while respecting the protection zones required by local environmental regulations. The L-shaped ground floor plan concentrates the social areas, service spaces, and a studio. The main entrance, featuring an amphitheater-like staircase and plaza, is also finished in the same material. The house number 8 is incorporated into a black metal railing, visible through 2 circular cutouts. The most striking feature of the landscaping is a cascading arrangement of Paraná white marble blocks, which aids in stabilizing the existing slope. The social area, glazed on all 4 sides of the rectangular layout, benefits from eastern sunlight on its side facing the pool and western light on the street-facing facade. To ensure privacy, the western openings begin at a height of over 3 meters above the floor. In the social area, technique and aesthetics converge. The pursuit of slender proportions in the roof slab and the lateral exposed concrete walls is achieved through 2 inverted beams that connect these planes without allowing them to touch. The result is the perception of an exploded volume, composed of detached panels that allow light to enter from various angles. These inverted beams also anchor a large prismatic block of exposed concrete, which hovers above the social area, projecting outward toward the woodland with a cantilever of over 5 meters. This block contains the family room, illuminated by an English courtyard, and the remainder of the private areas of the house. The exposed concrete structure and enclosures are raised off the ground. The walls laid directly on the terrain are covered in gray ceramic bricks, contrasting in texture and volume with the lightness of the exposed concrete elements.